Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace applique. This video is dedicated to you flats. So let's see together. Twist your yarn around your index finger 4 times. Insert your hook. Pull up loop. Remove your yarn. Chain 1. Make 18 single crochets in this circle. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 single crochets. Make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Make a slab stitch in first single crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make a double crochet in same stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next stitch. This is my 1 and 2. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next stitch. This is my 1 and 2. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next stitch. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next stitch. Chain 3 and make 16 double crochets in this round. Thirteen, 14, 15, and 16. Chain 1, make 15 reverse single crochets in this row. This is my 1. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 reverse single crochets. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. Insert your hook in same stitch. Back post of my reverse single crochet and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a back post of reverse single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over and pull up loop once, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch, back post of my reverse single crochet, repeat again, back post of my reverse single crochet, make a double crochet, chain 1, yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch, back post of my reverse single crochet, make a double crochet, chain 1, yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch, back post of my reverse single crochet, make a double crochet. Make back post double crochet, chain 1, yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch to make a back post double crochet, chain 1, yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch, back post double crochet. And repeat. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 2, then make a slab stitch like this, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thank you for looking. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. I hope you like this video. Your suggestions can help me a lot. You can absolutely share the link with your friends. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. See you soon!